Hey guys, how you doing? Chef Sal here, and today you're in my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pasta. It's called pasta verde, which means the green pasta. You guys know it as the basil pesto pasta. It's a simple dish, and still many love this dish all around the world. I'm going to show you how it's done in today's episode of Cooking with Sal Nuara and Papa Sal. Matter of fact, Papa Sal, how you doing today?
I'm doing fine. Voglio bene assai, ma tanto bene sai, è una catena ormai, che scioglie sangue di vene sai, di vene sai. Va bene.
Papa Sal, stay tuned. Alright guys, here we go. We got our fresh basil, tomato, garlic, our noodles, and our Parmigiano Reggiano and extra virgin olive oil. Alright, put a little extra virgin olive oil in some boiling water. We pretty much all know how to make pasta, right? Alright, stir that around pretty well. I already seasoned it with some salt. Throw your noodles in. Boom. You're done. Well, you're not completely done, but we're getting there. Alright, get that beautiful food processor out. Throw your fresh basil in there, your fresh garlic, and we're also going to put in our Parmigiano Reggiano and a little bit of the extra virgin olive oil. Alright, give this bad boy a spin and let it go for about 5 seconds or so. Let it do its magic and boom, you're done. Alright, get that fresh tomato out. Make sure you washed it. And then we're going to dice them. Dice it all up. And that's it. You're done with your tomato. Put that to the side. Alright, then we're going to go back to our pasta noodles. Once those are done and they're al dente, you're going to strain them. I don't know about you guys, but I like to take a minute and really appreciate these noodles. Just look at the true beauty they hold. Alright, back to cooking. Alright, now we're moving back to the stove. Get your frying pan out, extra virgin olive oil, your diced tomatoes, and then your fresh pesto. Start mixing everything together. When the magic happens, all the colors start to combine. You start getting this beautiful green, white, red, kind of like the Italian flag. Alright, so mix them all up really well. Look how nice that looks. Alright, once you got a good mix, then you're going to add that extra broth from that pasta when you were straining it out. And there you go, guys. A beautiful dish. Pesto, basil, tomato. Don't forget to top it off with that Parmigiano Reggiano. There you go, guys. Alright, let's see what Papa Sal has to say.
Figlio mio, ora si mangia.
Alright guys, that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring that bell, and turn on all notifications. And share, guys. Hope to see you next time on Cooking with Chef Sal and Papa Sal.